Hi, I'm Mimi. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Broad Street, where I'm an everyday staple, and you'll find me here almost every day except Mondays. Most of my customers are like family to me, you know. I'm expecting to see certain people on certain days. I have my regulars on Thursday nights, things like that. When I worked the morning shift, I saw a lot of people every morning, and now I don't see them as often. I really just want people to know that we're up and running, and we're doing, even during the boil water notice, we did everything that we could to ensure quality food and beverages for our customers, up to buying cases of bottled water, cans, sodas. You know, we just want people to know it's safe to come back. You know, it's clean, and we're doing the best that we can to make sure that we have quality products. We miss you guys. Please come back. Y'all come back now, you hear?